Setting this quick start template. We can go into our options dialog box and we can set up the quick start for QNew to grab a particular template, therefore skipping the select template dialog box. So we can always go to this particular template and we don't have to even select it. If you remember how to go to the options dialog box, we go up to the application menu and we come down and let's do this. Let's start a drawing by selecting a template first. And now let's go up to the application menu and go to options. And in here we're going to go to our files tab, then we're going to come down to template settings. We're going to hit the plus button and down here it says default template name for QNew. I'm going to hit the plus button and it says none. In here is where I'm going to point it to, like the U drive, and then I'm going to have a folder called COGT2114, and then I'm going to have a subfolder under that called templates. If you're at home, you might want to call it the C drive, COGT2114, and then have a subfolder called templates. So let's make that. I'm going to go down to my Windows Explorer. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go to my C drive and I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to create a new folder called COGT2114. I'll hit enter. Now I'm going to double click on it. I'm going to create a subfolder. So I got a filing cabinet that's called the C drive, which is over here, and then I made a folder in that file cabinet. Now inside that folder I'm going to make another folder. So I'm going to say new folder, and now this one is going to be called templates. I'm going to hit enter. There we go. So now all of my templates that Professor Bordeaux gives you I can place in here. Let's go back in AutoCAD, and now when we click on here I'm going to say browse, and I'm going to go out to my C drive. It's like my filing cabinet called C drive. I'm going to go to COGT2114. I'm going to go to templates, and I'll select the template that I have put in there, and I'll say open. So I don't have a template at this point to throw in there, but I'll be handing those out during the semester. So once again we find those by going up to the application menu, to options, we go to the files, template settings, default template for QNew, and we browse our way to any folder that we put on our C drive or U drive, and that way we can store all our templates there, and it will automatically open up one template every time I go and hit QNew. So when I hit this, it'll open up that template and it'll be all ready to go the way Professor Bordeaux would like you to start drawing your drawing file.